We'll continue on with our removal of the carburetors on this Honda. Here we took the tank switch off and took the tank gauges out. Here you can see the side of the carburetor with all these hoses and wires in the way. So we labeled them. Here's the cables are labeled, the carburetor hose is labeled. Once again, here we've popped the top hose off. Here the coil's in the way, so we're going to remove the coil and get it up out of our way. Here on the other side, we'll remove some of the hoses. We remove some of the fins off the engine heads. Disconnected the wires on the bottom of the carburetor. Disconnect the wires on the bottom of the carburetor on the other side. And here's where the carburetor is removed, so we can get in between the heads there. And here you can see once again the carbs are removed and we have a lot of space to get in there. Okay, we got the carburetors out. So they're off. Get some of our stuff labeled and put out of the way. Got our antifreeze drained, so we can start working on the hose that needs to come apart. Get that off, get those two O-rings into there. Get this all cleaned up. As you can see, we had to take the pieces off the cylinder head here so you get access to the carburetor. Come around the other side. That looks a lot cleaner in there now that we can get in and start working on things. So we did break a spark plug boot. Actually, we didn't break it, it was rotted. That might explain why this cylinder wasn't doing anything. So we'll get that replaced. And then there she is. There's our carburetor. I still gotta figure this thing out, whatever that's supposed to be. I know it's in there too, it's stuck. So I guess the throttle barrel has it pinched. So we'll work on that. Of course, we got the dual choke. Have to figure that out, get it off. So we got a couple things going on here, but we can start on this carburetor finally. Start working on it. All right, we'll keep you posted.